In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website after publishing. If you've already published your Wix site and now want to update text, images, or layouts, you don't need to start from scratch. You can safely make changes and then republish when you're ready. Let's walk through that process step by step. First, log into your Wix account using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, make sure you're in the section where you manage your site's setup. This area is where Wix groups most of the core settings and tools for your website. Now, look toward the top right corner of your dashboard. You should see a button that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. Wix will open a new page, or sometimes a new tab, which takes you into the Wix editor for that specific website. This is where you'll make all your design and content changes. Inside the editor, you can start adjusting anything you'd like. Click on any text box to rewrite or format your content. You can change the wording, update headings, or fix typos. To update images, click on an image and choose to replace it, upload a new file, or select something from your existing Wix media. You can also modify the layout and spacing by dragging elements around the page and adjusting margins or padding. If you need to reorganize your site structure, you can add, remove, or rename pages and tweak your navigation menus. For branding changes, explore your site's colors and fonts so everything stays consistent with your style. And if you want new content areas, you can add or remove sections and elements like buttons, galleries, contact forms, and more. A key thing to remember is that all of these edits are happening in a draft version inside the editor. None of your visitors will see these changes yet. This gives you the freedom to experiment and refine your design without affecting the live site. When you're happy with your edits, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Preview. This lets you see how your site will look and behave for visitors, including on different devices if you switch to mobile view. Take a moment to scroll through your pages and test any buttons or links. If everything looks good, click Publish in the top right. Wix will update your live website with the changes you just made. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Wix website after publishing.